This is Realme GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Google Calendar application, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already, then choose the date that you would like to schedule your event for. So let's say I'll go with 25th of March. Why not? Then, once chosen, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the event, and in here you can set a title for your event, set the time frames for it to occur, change the time zone, make it a repetitive event if you would like to, add or invite some people to attend, add the location that this event will have a place at, choose where you would like to be reminded about this event, or to put it in other words, set your notification preferences for it, add some brief description if you please, modify its visibility, make this event either busy or a free type, and then save. And as you can see, my event was successfully created and added to the 25th of March. You can see its details by tapping on it, and I can also edit those details by going for the pencil icon, and I can also delete this event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.